Hey everybody, Don Golden back with Expert Village. And today's topic is this desk we're going to fix. It's got a rickety leg and we're going to pull it off and we're going to see what the real problem is in a second. But before you do that, we want to take this desk and put it down upside down on its bottom so we can get that leg off without scratching the top. You want to be real careful not to do that. And also remember, if you got a drawer, this is going to go flying out if you turn it the wrong way. So let's make sure to either tape this shut or slide it around the other way when you're going to flip it over and it won't come out. Just like this. Here we go. We're going to go this way. And I'm going to carefully bring it down on its back onto a nice piece of carpeting. And we don't have to worry about scratching that top. Okay. Now, let's find the offending leg. Here it is. You know, for a long time it would just screw back in, and you could screw it. These all have metal guides and screws that make them screw in and out. This one's in good shape. See? It tightens up just fine. This one, not so good. Okay? In fact, it's so bad, it just comes right off. You know what that means? The wood has been totally stripped. And here's our metal doweling that enables this whole structure to hold together. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to re-drill this and put a wood dowel in here, glue it in, drill it again, and then reset this piece. It's not that difficult. I'm going to show you how to do it when we come back, okay?